The usage of rubber in 1887, rubber seeds which grow naturally in Brazil and South America were shipped to England by a man called Beckham. 2 months later, teeny rubber plants grow from these seeds in London. Famous Kew Garden were dispatched to Sri Lanka and Singapore. There, the plant flourished, and so not only was wealth and prosperity brought to Malaysia, for the production of rubber is now Malaysia's greatest industry, but also the world rubber manufacturer be able to cope with the phenomenal demand for rubber is practically every department of life. Scientific and man-made rubber, which is now being produced on a very large scale, is helping to cope with this demand and may possibly in the future usurp the position of the world natural rubber. Today, rubber is in needed man, versatile servant. Versatile servant. It serves you in your home. It is found on your radio and television. On television, electrician, toaster, coffee percolator, and shaving machine. It is found in the kitchen for the vacuum cleaner and refrigerator. Beer is the home. Beer beer is the house without its electric fan containing rubber or the desk that does on how an eraser, elastic band, or vulcanized fountain pen. There are materials made of foam, rubber, and in colder climate, beer is the house without its rubber hot water bottle. In the garden, rubber has a variety of uses, from hose pipe of footwear, reach, and biscuit. These on the surface would seem to have nothing to do with rubber, but it is because of rubber that a high pulses on a grain of rice can be obtained. The machine, the obelisk rice consists of an emery cone and a rubber block. The rice resolve between these those, and it is the combination between rubber and emery bead attached to the pulsed surface. We obtain it biscuit with the brand or maker named printed on the surface. Glaxo or Picron are example of his. A printed metal stamp would be impracticable on the sticky surface of the dough of which biscuits are made. It would stick therefore to stamp the biscuit. A thin sheet of rubber is inserted between the stamp and the dough. Thus, the biscuit is stamped through the rubber, rather like a carbon copy of a letter. Rubber is used to make our raincoat or Mackinstone, as they are called after a Manchester firm who in 1846 bought a patent for vulcanizing rubber, invented by a man called Parkes. Since Christopher Columbus first saw native of Haiti playing game with ball made from the gun of rubber tree, thousands of different balls from the rubber beach ball to the golf ball have been made out. Further afield from home, rubber is used for furniture and acoustic equipment in the cinema. It is used for projector and cinematographic equipment of all kind. Even down on the farm, it appears in tractor, ties, milling machine, and combine harvester. Rubber is used when you travel. Pavement and roads are sometimes made of it, as are the steps of buses and trains. There would be little comfort in motor vehicle without the pneumatic tire, first patented by J.B. Dunlop in Belfast, Ireland in 1880. Now, with the increasing number of cars, pneumatic tires take 90% of the world rubber. Rubber bearing springs and rubber sealing system in brake mechanisms of airlines, ships, and cars add considerably to our comfort. Rubber is there when illness land us in hospital because it absorbs shock. It is used for soundproof flowing tire on a wheel chair and rubber roller on bed and trolley. Rubber is waterproof.